रेडियो बुला मस्ती, आपकी मस्ती भरी फ्यूजन स्टेशन जो है फिजी देश के दिल की धड़कन। कनाडा, फिजी, इंडिया को जोड़ता हुआ आपके साथ 24 आवर्स शामिल रहता है। वैंकूवर कनाडा से अनेकता में एकता की हमारी शान है। यही रेडियो बुला मस्ती की पहचान है। सुनो रेडियो बुला मस्ती।
रेडियो बुला मस्ती, आपकी मस्ती भरी फ्यूजन रेडियो स्टेशन जो है फिजी देश की दिल की धड़कन। आपके साथ शामिल है वैंकूवर कनाडा से। परेशानी ही परेशानी है। पैसा बचाना चाहते हैं, पैसा बचता ही नहीं। बच्चों के स्कूल के लिए, बच्चों की पढ़ाई के लिए सेविंग्स करना है, रिटायरमेंट के लिए सेविंग्स करना है। कहीं बीमार पड़ गए तो हमारा देखभाल कौन करेगा? क्रिटिकल इलनेस इंश्योरेंस ले लीजिए। मोगज है आपके पास लोन से और आप इंश्योरेंस लेना चाहते हैं, मोगज इंश्योरेंस लेना चाहते हैं तो अरुण चंद को कॉल कीजिए 6045068234 पर। बीमारी कब किसको आ सकता है किसी को पता नहीं। हर वक्त अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करके रखिए। आजकल महंगाई का जमाना भी आ गया है, कैसे सारा बिल्स हम पे करेंगे? ये सब के लिए अब अरुण चंद आपके लिए हाजिर है, जो आपसे बैठकर बातें करेंगे और आपको सलाह बिल्कुल मुफ्त में देगा और जरूर आपको मदद करेंगे। चंद्स फाइनेंशियल में अरुण चंद को आप कॉल कीजिए 6045068234 पर। चंद्स फाइनेंशियल। गुड आफ्टरनून, वेलकम टू रेडियो बुला मस्ती। हाँ जी, मैं हूँ आपकी होस्ट आयशा और कहिए आज आपका हाल क्या है, कैसे है? तो आज का जो इंटरव्यू है ये इंग्लिश में रहेगा ताकि हमारे जो यंग लिसनर्स है उन्हें हम ये जानकारी दे सके कि इंश्योरेंस क्या है और कैसे इससे फ़ायदा उठा सकते हैं। सो आज हमारे साथ है a very well known with 12 years of experience, Mr. Arun Chand. He is a insurance and investment advisor. So Arun, welcome to this show again, and I enjoy having you on the show. So welcome.
Thank you, Aisha ji. How are you?
I'm doing very good. The weather is nice. It is hot and beautiful day, so no complaints.
It's nice and cool inside, that's why I'm wearing the jacket here.
I know you're looking pretty cool as well, man.
You have to, they say you have to dress for the part, eh?
That's right. You know, image is so important.
Mm-hmm.
For any business, for anyone out there, image is very important. Yes, you have to have the education and the knowledge and the experience with it, but image is just as important.
Okay, thank you.
So you're looking very good.
Thank you.
Business,
You too.
look like a businessman. So Arun has a lot of experience. He has about 12 years of experience in insurance and investment. So Arun, today we want to talk about life insurance and mortgage insurance. And what I would like for you to do is educate myself and educate our listeners on first of all what insurance is for those of you who are joining us for the very first time, what insurance is and how people can benefit from it, and then we'll move on to mortgage insurance and life insurance later on.
Thank you, Aisha ji. So today we're going to start with life insurance and the basic insurance for anybody to have, why they need it.
Mm-hmm. Insurance, right?
Like insurance, like car insurance, house insurance,
Yes.
and this is life insurance.
Mm-hmm.
And in life insurance, I'm gonna be talking about the basic insurance, which is the cheapest to cover the basic needs,
Mm-hmm.
and if it's affordable.
Mm-hmm.
So that's called as term insurance. So term insurance, it covers a certain period of time.
Okay, so insurance itself, it's like we get car insurance, right?
Uh-huh.
We get insurance to protect ourselves and protect our family,
Mhm.
right? And in that comes a life insurance, you said, and in that comes term insurance.
Right.
All right. Okay. So life insurance, how does life insurance work? Like, just for example, I'm asking you this question for my kids, let's say, right? If my kids are listening,
Uh-huh.
they have no clue what insurance is. So what is life insurance and how does it work?
Life insurance for anybody over 18, they are considered as grown-ups, so they can get up to any amount of insurance they want, consider they qualify.
Mm-hmm.
So for 1 million, if they want, for example, 18 years, I may have said before that anybody who is 18 years old should get $1 million insurance. Term insurance, $1 million for 10, 20, 30. There's only one reason to do that. It is to save and protect their health rate. Health rate means if something happens with their health, if the if the changes, it's very hard to get insurance. Second thing is if they are caught drinking and driving, they won't, or go drugs, they
Yeah.
won't get insurance. They will not get insurance. Life insurance.
once they started. So
Yeah.
so before, and let's hope our kids don't get into
Yes.
all that. But there are kids that do get into all
Yeah,
the
yeah.
stuff, right? Drugs and all that, violence and all that.
So there's two reasons,
Okay.
and the third one was if they start smoking, most people will start smoking at 20, 21, 22. So they'll get a better rate at 18. And
When you're
smoking,
not smoking.
not smoking.
Okay.
So it protects three things, right?
Uh-huh.
So you just get covered. It's like a house insurance. You can't insure a burning house, right?
That's true. That is true. Yeah. Get the insurance before your house gets on fire, and let's hope,
Yes.
God forbid, it never happens, because no one wants to lose their personal belongings.
Yes.
Start all over again. It's not easy. So let's hope it doesn't happen. But you always have to be prepared.
Yes.
Accidents happen.
That's why I call it insurance, right? It's a
True.
protection, right?
True.
And like I say, we go and protect our cars. Cars were about 50,000,
We have no
100,000.
choice.
And we have no
Right.
choice.
Yeah.
But we don't think how much importance is about life insurance. Just think, if you are making about 50,000 a year income, if something happens, how will that income replace your earnings to your family?
No, you can't.
50,000 seems less, but when you add to your 25 years earning, it's 1.25 million.
Really?
Yes.
Wow.
And if you make 100,000, it's 2.5, right?
Yeah, true.
So
true.
so that money is gone from your family.
Yes, true, true.
And
That's-
I know we all work for our family.
exactly, yeah.
We buy a house for the family.
Anything we do, it's
It's for the family.
Right, yeah, yeah. So what you're saying is get the insurance which will protect your family.
Yeah.
All right, okay. So that's what life insurance is
Is-
basically.
Yeah.
Getting into it, protecting your family.
And in protecting their health rate, this is the cheapest way to go. This is one of the products in the life insurance part. There are other products that we can discuss later. This is like renting a car. It's for rental use. This is life insurance. You're protecting three things and you're renting it for a certain time, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years. It can go on. Depends what you need it.
Okay.
So for example, if you buy a house, you are 20 years old. So you take a mortgage for 25 years. So basic idea will be to cover that for 25 years. In case something happens, the proceeds goes to your family.
I see. Something happens,
Like with
meaning
death.
as with death.
Yes.
Yeah. So death happens.
Yeah.
If death doesn't happen in 25 years is a long time.
Right.
And that's a big mortgage we have on our head,
Yeah,
right? Some people don't even sleep at nights thinking about all the debts they have. So if let's say you don't die, but you get injured,
That's a
you
different
lose
kind of
your
insurance.
job, there are insurance that can cover it.
Yes.
I see. Okay.
Those are different kind of insurance.
Okay. So today we want to focus on life insurance, right? And mortgage insurance. Okay.
So that's for going back. So if you have a mortgage for 25 years, so at least cover for that, and it will be very cheap. Very cheap in a sense. It will be, for example, somebody is 30 years old, for $250,000 insurance it will be cheap. So you can get for $50-$60.
A month.
Yeah.
So you can get $250,000 covered.
Yeah.
If something happens to you, you pass away, you can get about $250,000 covered for about $50-$60 somewhere around there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
Okay.
in case something happens, so it goes to the family.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah, for sure. And
And,
you have to have your beneficiary listed as whoever you want,
Yes.
and it'll go to that person.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So now there are many people who buy from the banks.
Yes.
So like to say the difference between buying from the banks and from a mortgage, from an insurance advisor. So, example, when you buy from the bank, who's the beneficiary?
I'm thinking, right? Because I think,
Sorry, I put you on the spot
no,
here.
no, that's fine. Because I don't know much about insurance. I'm learning a lot from you, right? I'm thinking if something happens to me, if I die, right? My mortgage is gonna get paid off. I have insurance from the bank, mortgage insurance from the bank. So if I die, my house is gonna get paid off,
Right.
and my husband or my kids, whoever I put my beneficiary as, in this case, my husband will get the money.
No.
No?
Well, one thing is right. The house will be paid, and there no money will go to your husband or your other
Your
beneficiary.
children.
Yeah,
Oh,
no.
I see. Or whoever your beneficiary is.
Yeah. So that's one of the reason we say. For example, if you have a insurance for 1 million from the bank, so see the portion is going to the bank. Bank is insuring their money.
So let's say 5 years ago, I bought a mortgage insurance from the bank for let's say 500,000, $500,000, right? So 5 years ago, I bought insurance from the bank for $500,000, and I bought the insurance for 500,000, right? I die tomorrow. I'm thinking my house is gonna get paid off. It will get paid off.
It should be paid off. Yes.
Okay. And if I had bought insurance for, let's say, $1 million, I bought let's say when I buy the house, I have 500. I bought the insurance for 500,000. Now I'm paying down that mortgage, right?
Yeah.
So by the time I die, let's say the house, I've got 200,000 left on the house mortgage owing, right? So so they'll pay off. The bank will pay off the mortgage, which is now at 200,000.
Right.
What about the other 250, 400,000 that I get, 300,000 that I got?
It's banks. The bank is insuring their mortgage. They have nothing. They're
just protecting
their
debts.
investments. Yes. Yeah.
So I'm wasting my money then, because I bought it for 500,000. I've been paying all my life. I die. Now there's only 200,000 left. The bank only pays me $200,000 for the mortgage.
It just pays for the
clears
the mortgage.
house.
That's it.
That's it.
And also, there's one thing I should mention, that because when you bought the insurance from the bank, you did not go through underwriting.
What's underwriting?
Underwriting means it's called from advisor. If you go underwriting, they'll ask you questions. They'll send you to a doctor, get a medical done. Depends upon what the requirements are.
Okay.
And then you'll get pre-approved. Means if something happens, there's not many chances where people don't get money. There's like 99%, 96 to 98% stats in the insurance industry, it pays. And for mortgages, there are about some cases they are not getting paid because it's called post underwriting. Means they'll ask you questions, but when they are paying you the premiums, paying the bank off, if you die, they will go and check your medical history. They're called post underwriting.
Oh, I get it. Okay. So when
So that's one of the reasons
when I got the insurance from the bank,
yeah.
I wasn't told any of these.
No, they don't tell you.
Whether it's pre or post, for me, I just got the insurance. I'm paying a monthly payment of however many dollars a month, and thinking in my head that my insurance is gonna be covered when I die. My house is paid off. My family doesn't have to worry about it.
That's one of the reasons I'm trying to educate here and giving information. This information is worldwide. This doesn't only cover here. This information is whole of Canada. I'm insured in BC and Edmonton and Ontario.
I see.
So if talk to your advisor there. Talk to the banks. Don't have licensed advisors.
I see. Okay.
We are licensed. Banks have tellers.
Yeah.
They go through questions and then they'll
They
send
just
you.
go through the standards, right?
Yeah.
So here's another question. While we are on life insurance and mortgage insurance, if we have already bought mortgage insurance from the bank, can we transfer it to? No, you're done.
You're done.
So whatever you paid, it's done.
Yeah, it's that. And also like going further, What happens if you change the bank?
Yeah.
You
You
have
lose
to-
the money you paid?
You lose the money and you have to reinsure. Your health changes
Yeah, yeah.
in 5 years.
Mhm.
God forbid something happens and you cannot get insurance.
Mhm.
But they'll get your new rate from the bank, another bank, and that's called requalify.
Well, that's not right. That really frustrates me because when I got the house, I have this mortgage for 25 years,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Mm.
So now I'm changing the bank. I have to re-qualify for the insurance,
And get a new rate.
go for my medical. I was healthy 5 years ago.
Mm-hmm.
Let's say I'm not healthy right
Yeah.
now, so I have to pay a difference. And,
Yes.
Oh. I
That's
didn't
why
know
we
that.
say get it from the advisor.
Mhm.
So your rate are covered for 25 years or 20 years or 30 years.
Okay, again.
Huh.
So why from an advisor? What does the advisor do different than the bank?
Advisor will pre-qualify you. Send your application to the underwriting. They'll qualify you, and when you are qualified, advisor is independent, and he has got about 20 to 25 insurance companies. He can get you the best rates, and you can qualify. And from that insurance, there are many things you can do. Like you buy a term insurance, like I said, for the cheapest. In 5 years or 20 years, you say, I want to make something permanent. So you want to do like 100,000 permanent. You don't have to get a medical.
Okay.
You will be just convert it to a permanent insurance.
So
Of course, the rate will be a little bit high at that time for permanent insurance. It's like renting a car. You rent a car, it's cheap for 1 week, 1 month. When you buy it,
and then it adds
it's
up.
yours.
Yeah.
You keep it, but it's yours.
Yeah.
So you own it.
Huh. So, so when you get it from a insurance broker,
Hmm.
you're covered for till whenever you have the mortgage till.
Yeah. For like, if you are a mortgage for 25 years,
yeah.
we'll have for 25 years. We'll set it up the
So what
program
if
for
I change the banks?
change the
what
rate,
if
doesn't
I
matter.
what if I refinance my mortgage?
That amount is yours. And if, for example, if you take half a million, $500,000 insurance, your mortgage is 200,000. That doesn't. 500 goes to your family. They can do whatever they want, pay the mortgage and keep the rest.
Oh, I get it. So from the bank, if you get the insurance from the bank covers. The bank will just pay off your mortgage. But if you get it from an insurance broker, the insurance broker will give you that much money, however you bought the insurance for.
Principal amount, yes.
So you get the principal amount and then you go pay off your mortgage.
Yes.
Oh, so you better control of your money that way.
You are the owner.
You are buying insurance for that much, whereas from the bank, it only covers your mortgage.
Hmm.
I get it. Why didn't you tell me all this before? I think I lost a lot of money by now.
Well, like they say, you know, when is the best time to plant a tree?
Or never. Always.
Yeah, anytime.
Anytime, yeah.
So you can plant it now.
True.
You know?
But now I'm stuck with the bank. I
You're
gotta
not-
figure out what to do now.
You're not stuck. You know, you can get your own insurance.
So what do I do with the one I have with the bank?
It's gone. It's like renting a house, renting a car.
Oh, seriously.
Yes.
So my money has gone down the drain.
Sorry.
Well, I don't know if I like hearing this. It's very disappointing. And I think this is why it is very, very important to have the knowledge about insurance. Because honestly, till now, I didn't know. I should have found you a long time ago and brought you on the radio to educate our listeners.
Yeah, this is education, and you know, there are things like in real life, people don't value. They hear and then they don't.
Yeah.
There are not many people who want to listen things, right?
Yeah.
And
Well,
then
yeah.
it's, you know,
We don't want to listen, and a lot of times we
You
don't
don't
get
want to
explained
yeah,
very well.
that's true. Yeah.
Right? You don't get explained very well. I was very confused on how insurance works, and I thought I'll just get $500,000. I got insurance from the bank, and that's what I'm gonna get. But I guess not. They'll
No.
just pay off if I don't owe anything on the house. If I owe $1,
That's it.
before
Done.
I die, then they'll just pay $1 and all my money has gone to waste.
Yes.
Whereas if I had bought it from a broker
Advisor.
like someone like you, then I would have got that full $500,000 or whatever I
Yeah.
paid for, right?
Yeah, you can name a beneficiary and it's portable.
Yeah.
So you control it,
I
right?
mean, I won't get it. I'm dead.
mean-
but my beneficiary will get it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But you control who gets it, right?
Yes, for sure. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's portable. For example, if you don't die, what happens?
I don't know.
So if you don't die before your expiry of a mortgage, your mortgage is paid 25 years,
Yeah.
but you want to leave a legacy for your family. Say, example, you want to give 250,000 to your loved ones when you're not here. So you make that insurance, which you bought it temporary, you make it permanent.
When do I make it permanent?
You can make it permanent from the time you buy it, or time before 25 years or 20 years, whenever you
Oh,
want.
I see. Okay. So anytime before. But then how? So I make it permanent.
Mhm.
Then when can I get that money?
You can get it. This depends what you want, right? So now we're going deeper.
Uh-huh.
You can get that money, depending on the plan. You can retire with that money.
Uh-huh.
You can pass that money to the your beneficiary.
Arunji, you're listening to Radio Bula Masti. Online, anywhere in the world, you can listen to this program. We are live on video as well. I'm your host, Aisha, and with me I have the insurance and financial expert, Arun Chand. He's here locally in Surrey, BC with over 12 years of experience, lots of knowledge, lots of education. Anytime I talk to this guy, he's always taking courses and updating himself. So he's aware of what's going on and where your money's gonna go to and how you can spend it better. I think I want to end this interview right now, Arun, and I need to go talk to you in person
Okay.
to see what I can do with my insurance now.
Okay. No, I'm sharing this for everybody, and
Yes.
like I always say, you don't have to buy from me. I always say this, but I would like everyone who's listening this to have some insurance from your insurance broker. This
Information.
This information is very important, right? I wasn't given this information.
I was until today. I bought lots of insurance here.
I
and
bought
there.
I know lots of insurance. We end up buying small things here and there without getting to know the products, right?
Because sometimes when we are given the information, it's very, very confusing.
Mhm.
It's confusing to us because we don't understand it, right? It makes sense to like insurance brokers and you guys, but when we receive that message, it is very confusing. And I think every time the more I talked about it, the more confused I got. This is the very first time where I've got a very clear understanding of what insurance is when you buy from the bank and what insurance is when you buy from a broker, right? And the benefits of
Benefits it, yeah.
So I want to thank you, Arun, for sharing this information. I think this is a very, very good eye-opener for myself. And like I said, the more I talked about it to people, the more I got confused, right? So it's a very good eye-opener, I think a start. It's never too late. I know I've invested a lot of money in insurance and in a lot of places, and I think it's all wasted, right? So I need to talk to you before you go away.
And also, if somebody wants to check on a YouTube, CBC has done a very good segment on term insurance from a broker versus bank insurance from a banker.
I see. Okay.
It says CBC on denial.
Oh, I see. Okay.
So anybody who's listening can
What's
go to
CBC?
CBC,
Yeah.
Canadian CBC on denial. Go on
Yeah.
YouTube, check the information I've given you. So many people have not received their money. The mortgages, when they paid, the mortgage was denied.
I see. Okay.
Remember I was saying underwriting?
Yeah.
Pre-underwriting,
Pre and
post?
post.
Yeah.
So you wanna get pre. So when you're getting the insurance, you know what you're getting yourself
Yeah.
into. You're getting your exams and you're healthy. Well, obviously you'll be healthier today than you are probably tomorrow unless things change. But It is very important, I guess. Now, what I'm hearing from you is very important to make sure that you get the right underwriting. It's called
Underwriting, yes.
Underwriting done when you get the insurance.
Yeah, from a broker and.
Because anything can happen tomorrow, right?
Right.
Yeah. I have a question here, Arun. It says, being an American, can I buy this insurance too? This is Michael Nair from Los Angeles.
You can buy it in America, not here.
I see. Okay.
Yeah.
But they would have their own policies.
Yes.
there,
Yeah.
right? Okay. Okay. There you go.
See, the knowledge is same.
I see. Okay.
Term means term. It will it will cover that much term, and you make it permanent everywhere. Because I've sent clients who are in America, talk to these brokers, and then they buy what right.
All right, Arun Chand, Mr. Arun Chand here from Chands Financial. Thank you very much for your time. There's a lot more I want to talk to you about, but I would like to have this information just sink into me and understand, because like I said, it is very confusing.
It is.
So I would like to stop this right here and get our listeners to kind of go over it, analyze your situation, and if you do need any information, call Arun directly, because Radio Bula Masti is just doing the information, providing the information, bringing the information to you through Chands Financial, through Arun Chand. We are not liable and we don't sell insurance here. So I would recommend our listeners and viewers to contact Mr. Arun Chand at Chands Financial, phone number 604-506-8234. For any questions, any complications, any information you need, just call Mr. Arun Chand at Chands Financial. Once again, phone number is 604-506-8234.
Thank you, Ashaji.
Thank you.
And we'll be doing English sessions on Mondays, right? Every Monday.
Every Monday we'll have, every Monday we will have a session on insurance in English, and every Thursday we'll have a session in Hindi. So that different people from different language, or people that don't understand Hindi and all that, we can kind of cater to everyone.
Yeah, okay.
And again, the interview time is from 3:30 to 4 o'clock. I just want to say thank you to each and every one of you that has joined us here on radiobulamasti.com. I'm your host Aisha, and with me I have Mr. Arun Chand from Chands Financial. Stay tuned. We've got our regular program going on from here now.
Advertise your business with Radio Bula Masti. You will get the best advertising rates plus better reward. What are you waiting for? Call now 604-427-0291. Again, our phone number is 604-427-0291, or email us at radiobulamasti@gmail.com.
परेशानी ही परेशानी है। पैसा बचाना चाहते हैं, पैसा बचता ही नहीं। बच्चों के स्कूल के लिए, बच्चों की पढ़ाई के लिए सेविंग्स करना है, रिटायरमेंट के लिए सेविंग्स करना है। कहीं बीमार पड़ गए तो हमारा देखभाल कौन करेगा? क्रिटिकल इलनेस इंश्योरेंस ले लीजिए। मोर्गेज है आपके पास, लोन है, और आप इंश्योरेंस लेना चाहते हैं, मोर्गेज इंश्योरेंस लेना चाहते हैं, तो अरुण चंद को कॉल कीजिए 604-506-8234 पर। बीमारी कब किसको आ सकता है किसी को पता नहीं। हर वक्त अपने आप को प्रोटेक्ट करके रखिए। आजकल महंगाई का जमाना भी आ गया है, कैसे सारा बिल्स हम पे करेंगे? ये सब के लिए अब अरुण चंद आपके लिए हाजिर है, जो आपसे बैठकर बातें करेंगे और आपको सलाह बिल्कुल मुफ्त में देगा और जरूर आपको मदद करेंगे। चंद्स फाइनेंशियल में अरुण चंद को आप कॉल कीजिए 604-506-8234 पर। चंद्स फाइनेंशियल।